Hello and welcome to Allool Media International News. There are increasing signs that North Korea could soon test a nuclear weapon for the first time since 2017 in a bid to improve its arsenal and increase political pressure, US and South Korea officials, analysts say. Two US officials told the media that there were indications, including activity near the Bongori nuclear site, that Pyongyang may be preparing for some sort of test, though an exact time was unclear. Pentagon spokesman John Kirby declined this week to comment, but said Washington is concerned about the possibility of a new test because that would be an opportunity for North Korea to enhance its capabilities. Every time you test, you learn. We know that this is a program that they want to improve, he told briefing on Tuesday. And so, of course, we are concerned about the effort to do so. A resumption of nuclear tests could send political shockwaves through the region. China and Russia had joined the United States and other United Nations Security Council members in sanctioning Pyongyang over its previous tests. But in the wake of last week's intercontinental ballistic missile, both Beijing and Moscow signaled opposition to any new measures and said sanctions should be eased. China's envoy for Korea Affairs, Liu Xiong, has called on all sides to show restraint, but said the root cause of tension is Washington's failure to address North Korea's legitimate security concerns and to reciprocate steps Pyongyang had taken since 2018. On Thursday, State Department spokesman Ned Price said Washington remains open to talks, but that continued provocations by North Korea would incur additional response from the international community. North Korea has conducted all 6 of its nuclear tests in deep tunnel dug under the mountains of Bongori. In 2018, it used explosives to close all entrance in front of invited foreign media, but not international experts, raising questions about the extent of the demolition. That year, Pyongyang declared a voluntary moratorium on testing nuclear weapons and its ICBMs. Since then, it said it is not bound to that because of lack of goodwill moves by the United States and its allies. Last month, it test-fired ICBMs for the first time since 2017, which itself caused shockwaves in the region and internationally worldwide. Commercial satellite imagery from Thursday show new excavation at the site's south portal just east of a former tunnel entrance that was destroyed as part of a site dismantlement efforts in 2018. You have been watching Allool Media International News. Thank you for watching.